Hello, let me show you a comparison of resting heart rate measurement on Redmi Watch 5 and Apple Watch Series 10. So we'll find out how it actually works. As you can see, Apple Watch Series 10 start measuring a little bit faster and shows currently about 77, when on the Watch 5 we've got 76. So as you can see, for the resting heart rate, it's almost the same. There's like small differences. Now we get the same result, 75 on the both devices, and it looks like that Apple Watch actually updating or measuring the heart rate a little bit faster, because the updates comes just faster than on the Redmi Watch 5. But as you can see, the result is almost the same, 75, 76, 77. So it's really close. If you want to measure the heart rate, the resting heart rate with this device, it's really accurate, but I'm not sure how it actually perform with some activities in some workouts. So you have to actually, check this by yourself, or watch some more detailed comparison or review of both devices.